Alright guys, Mommy Ann on the go. Mommy Ann and the Wilsons on the go. We are back on another unboxing. We have 3 things to unbox at this time. We have this black box and I know bag. And I know this is from Victoria's Secret, the gift card that I got for my birthday. This one is from Ulta, which is also a gift card for my birthday, and my AdvoCare healthy kick. Alright, so there you go. We have Gaga Life in America. Hello, welcome to our live stream. So we are gonna open this one first. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this on the side, and I hope it's not gonna fall. Okay, alrighty, let's try it that way. Is that okay? Is that better? Okay, I think that's better. Okay. And let's see. Ayan. Oh, sige, panoorin na lang kita, madam. Oy, thank you. Thank you. Salamat. Okay. So first, I know what's inside this one. I just want to check the quality and what it is. So this is from Victoria's Secret. And I got this on sale. And I know I will be giving these things out, because last week was my para-educators week or day. And I totally forgot about it. I was planning to give this to them before we start spring break. But then I forgot. So this is Lil Mugs. How are you? Hello, how are you? So first thing is this one. I don't want to take it out though, but I don't have a pink bag, so I think I'm gonna keep the pink bag. Alright, so it's a Victoria's Secret bag. It's pink. I have a pink. I have a black one. I'm gonna open. I'm gonna save. Oh my gosh. 2 of them. Oh, the secret is out. Swim is back and better than ever. The hottest brands and the sexiest styles under the sun are now available at victoriasecret.com. Limited edition. Okay. Sexy ba ni nila, oy? Sila na lang sexy. Hello, hello, hello. Yes, and this is, how much was the total? Okay. And I have another white one. I don't know how this one looks like. It's just Victoria's Secret. It's cute though. I don't know which one would I give and which one would I keep. I know I'm not picking the white one. Ah, okay. There are 2 black and white. So I'm just gonna keep... Looks like I'm gonna keep the black one. Ooh. Kasi magparehas sila. Okay. Alright. So, I'm gonna open one so you would see. This is gonna be mine. Or, this is gonna be what I will keep for myself. Put it back in the bag. And the other 3, I will be giving them out. Okay. Nice naman yung black. Ayan. It's nice. Okay. Very nice. Okay, cute. I can use this when I go to the beach and all. See that? It's big. It's good enough. It's good, it's good, it's good. So I don't know who would I give the pink one to. It's gonna be... But I like the pink one though. Miss Rose. Because I have the pink and everything. See? And I have white. No, I'm going to keep the black one. I have a lot of... No, I think I'm going to keep the pink one. The pink is so pretty. I'll keep the pink. I'll keep the pink. Whatever. I'll keep the pink. Alright, and I have this one, and they call it the... What do they call this? The mule. The bow mule slipper. It's only $14.99, guys. Oi, hello, Linz Byron. Hi, host. Naanapod ko, yay! Thank you for stopping by. Ganda ng color black. Oo nga, no? Hello, good morning po. Yan, I want to compare the black and the pink because I want to keep the pink one. I'm giving this one out. Jackie is Lee. Hello, hello, sis. And oh, pretty mo kaya pink good because I want to pair it with that. See how pretty the pink one is? New York, London, Shanghai. Oh, very pretty. I love it. Compared to this one. Which one? See, which one would I keep? The pink one or the black? I have a lot of black naman. I'll keep the pink one. Whatever, man. They're the ones who's gonna receive it, so they'll be happy with it. Diba? Happy na sila kung ano ibibigay sa kanila. I love it. I love this. I love this. I'll keep the pink one. What do you think? Hello, good morning po from Stephen Clay. Stephen Clay. Jackie Easley, hello sis. Yes, ganda din ang pink bagay sa shoes mo. I want black. I know, but I have a lot of black. Alright, I'll decide in a little bit. Tell me which one would we keep. Bagay sa imo ha, cute. I have a lot of black na. Almost all my colors are black. Alright, but let's take a look at this. I hope it would fit. They don't have like size 6, 7. They have small, medium, large. So, obviously, I just had a small one. See? Small petite. It's cute. Diba? It's cute and I hope it fits me. If not, oh well. Tungtong tas bangko, be. Let's see if it fits. Ay, it fits. Bagay, chinelas lang, te. Kitaan na tani ron. Ay, cute. Super cute. It's actually really slippers, but you know, you can wear it somewhere else. Kung wala lang kay kuan ba? Rampa. Magrampa. Magrampa, magchinilas. Slippers. Pero sa ato, pwede na gini siya slippers. It is cute. It's nice. Ribbon is cute. Pink na lang, sis. Yeah, I'll keep the pink one. Alright. We'll keep the pink one. And then, this is the... I asked for Victoria's Secret. And then my husband gave me a gift card thinking I'm gonna buy all underwear, bra, and all. But no. I bought other stuff. Ayan. This one's cute. Eee. It looks so big though. I hope it's not that big. Oh shoot. What size is this? I think I made a mistake of the size. It should be good. Should be, huh? I'm into no. Oh. Pwede na. Pwede na kumurampa. Pwede na murampa. Oh, thank you for stopping by, guys. This is cute. I like it. And we are on our healthier lifestyle anyway, so that's good. That is good. So I think I'm just gonna keep the pink one. Huh? Are we keeping the pink one or the black one? I'll keep the pink one. Dami ko na kasing black. At least with pink. Pink siya, diba? At least kung pink siya. Ayan. How was this being packaged, Gani? This thing's on the back. Okay. Okay. Or I'll keep the black and the pink. It's all good. Ayan. Next. Next, we're gonna open the Ulta. Di mo talaga gusto si Oink Dili Obvious. Imo ng pink, ako ng black. Ha ha ha. I'm giving those out to my assistant teachers. Oy, ano lang. Next time, sige, pag-giveaway ta next time when we reach 1,000. Sige. Alright, next one is the Ulta. Ulta is a makeup store, which I don't usually go to except when I buy Morphe stuff. And then others the eye. Because I'm a MAC girl. But now I'm testing out other products. Yes, for those 3 that are here, thank you. Ayan. Uy, mag-thumbs up naman kayo. Kahit wala yung ano ko, yung gadget ko, diba? Ayan. So, we open it. Obviously with that. Okay. So, I have gone crazy. This is my favorite setting spray. That's it. This is my favorite setting spray. And it was buy 1, get 2, or buy 2, get 1. So what I did was, I bought it. And that's for my $50, I think. I got it for, there's no price in here now. So I got this 3 all-nighter. I know buy 1, get 2, or buy 2, get 1. Something like that. So this one's what I got. And then the Better Than Sex brand for mascara was really good. So I was telling myself, maybe I can try the waterproof, non-fading, long wear, easy glide, pigment load. This time the eyeliner. So I am going to do a trial on this one. But then it says if I reach $50 worth of purchase, they're going to give me a Tarte sample makeup, which is so good. So this one I did not buy. This is the sample. Tarte is really cute too. Ah, it came with, oh, cute, super cute, 4. And this one's cute. I can use this one, you know, and put something inside this. I don't know. You know me. Okay, first they have Tarte. What is this? Exposed Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush. Okay, I have a lot of blush now, but then it's alright. We'll swatch this. Super light lang siya. Diba? Perfect for my skin. Para hindi siya masyadong ano. Ayan. Very nice. I don't know if you can see it, but that's cute. It is cute. It's from Tarte. Let me put some more right here. Nag-blush on naman noon eh. Wala mabuhat eh. Oh, wala lang. Oy, napa mo diha, Lens, Byron, Jackie, Easley. Kinsa pa na din here. Basta daghan na kayo sa itong na. Ito na. That's one. And then they have the Shakewell. Skin Mist. Oh, I love Skin Mist. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Did you see that? I think I tasted it. Made in the US. Yay! Narako nagluto. I love the Skin Mist. I can put this in my daily bag. I love that. And they have this. Ooh, lights, camera, lashes. Look how cute the packaging is. It looks like crocodile skin. So how do we use that? Turn around. Oh, turn around. Turn around. And it's purple. I love it. It's cute. Alright, I'm gonna put that on later because mahirap na pag nagmamaskara tayo ngayon. Oh, and it clicked back. Oh, very cute sample. And there's Sugar Rush Tarte. I think that's a lipstick. Yep, it's a lipstick. Cute, very cute packaging. It's a K-pop. Cake pop. Oh my gosh, that got me so excited. Sugar coat. It's so cute. This one is so pink. Very light lang. I love it. Look at the color. Oh my gosh, it's so pink. It's so cute. Baby pink. Like baby pink. Like this color. Exactly. See that? Oh, I'm wearing red lipstick right now, so I'm gonna put that away. Oh, that's cute. Pink na di kaya akong na-hold on sa kugatan only. That's okay. So, it was so pink in here, but darker man siya sa akong face. Okay ra siya tan-aw, di ay. Alright, and the last one that we are gonna unbox is my AdvoCare. My AdvoCare, I have ordered some cleansing, herbal cleanse, and my